have a look at this. The DHS VSD Plus vacuum pump is noticeable because you'll hardly notice it. This compact dry screw pump is mighty and modest at the same time. In fact, you'll barely see it, hear it, or feel it. The first thing that meets the eye is the compact build of the DHS VSD Plus. It won't take up much of your valuable floor space. Its clever design consists of only 50 different parts, many of those in sturdy and durable aluminum, all of them designed to make maintenance easy. Also worth crowing about is just how silently this vacuum pump runs. Its quiet operation will sound like music to your ears. You can thank its noise-reducing canopy for that. Also, you won't feel this pump when it's running. Its sturdy build is vibration-free. The easy plug-and-play installation means that this versatile pump is a turnkey solution that guarantees peace of mind. Clever, clean, and compact. Atlas Copco's range of DHS VSD Plus vacuum pumps is proof that the best things come in small packages.